Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the layout of your Feedly feed. So Feedly is a news slash article congregator, which makes it super easy for you to digest the latest articles and news from your favorite websites, blogs, or RSS feeds. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is that you're first going to log onto your Feedly account. And then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this icon that says change layout. So once you change the layout, you have four different options here. You can do a title view, which is my preferred view, just so that I can get a good large list of different articles that I might want to read. You can do magazine view, which is a bit more visually appealing. And then you could also do cards view. I don't really like the cards view because it occupies a lot of space and then I have to keep scrolling down. And then you also have article view. So article view is actually going to give you like a glimpse of the article. And then you simply just scroll down and read through each article one by one. So I do sometimes use this filtering or layout option as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the layout of your Feedly feed. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.